Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 connection failed. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and go to device manager, and then go to network adapters, right click and update all those drivers one by one into the last one, and then close it and go to control panel, view network status, internet or Wi-Fi, properties, and then select this option, double click on it, use the following DNS, put those numbers here, click OK, and then close it. After that, open CMD, right click on it, run as administrator, yes, and copy here, just type those comments and click enter, and then net winsock reset and click enter. Now restart your PC. I hope that can help you after that, and see you in the next video.